कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं।
अभी मैं KVONGC अगरतला स्कूल के मेन गेट के सामने खड़ी हूँ। इसके दरवाज़ों से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं। कोई आगे चलता है, हम पीछे चलते हैं। दीवारों पर किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है, इससे हमें जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है। बादल सा गरजे हम, मर्जी से चले हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम। As you all know, due to outbreak of COVID-19, our normal schooling is not going on. We at KVONGC Agartala teaching our student through online platform. KVONGC Agartala welcomes the new entrants to class 1A. You all are new to us and the school is also new to you. So we all decided to introduce your school to you through a virtual tour. I, Jyoti Shimar, will be your guide for this interesting tour. चलो अब हम स्कूल चलते हैं. At the entrance, we have principal's room. Let's go inside and listen his words.
I extend a hearty and warm welcome to all the parents and the budding stars of class 1 in the family of Kendriya Vidyalaya ONGC Agartala. Kendriya Vidyalaya ONGC Agartala is one of the best schools in Tripura in terms of infrastructure as well as CBSE results. The school provides the best of opportunities for all-round development of your child under the patronage of Ministry of HRD, Government of India, KVS Headquarters New Delhi and KVS RO Silchar. The start of the formal educational experiences is a very exciting time for both parents and child. The early years of a child's life are the most important. A time of rapid development physically, intellectually, socially, emotionally. As parents, you must be very nervous as well as to know how your child will adjust and move ahead. Fortunately, after only a few days, that worry will be diminished considerably through the efforts of my team of dedicated, trained and skilled teachers. They are the best in the field and go through a rigorous examination and training system before joining KVS. Your child's first year in school is very important. Research indicates that habits and attitudes formed in the early years have a strong influence upon your child's social and intellectual development. In order to provide the best possible school experiences, your child will need the guidance and encouragement of both home and school. The home environment is the most powerful factor in determining the level of school achievement of students. Student interest in school learning and the number of years of schooling the children will receive. There is no doubt that the achievement of our student is built upon the partnership between the student, parents and staff. We follow a rich curriculum designed by NCERT which focuses on holistic development of the student, affiliating content of the text with the environment of the child, making learning an enjoyable experience for the child. Besides that, we offer a number of activities to your child to let him explore his inner potential, including sports, music, art, work experience and other co-curricular activities. I thank all the parents for entrusting your confidence in us, and I assure you that your super kids are in safe hands of Kendriya Vidyalaya ONGC family. We always strive hard to provide safe, healthy and educative environment to your child. I want to recite a small poem regarding your child who are coming to the school. If children live with criticism, they learn to condemn. If children live with hostility, they learn to fight. If children live with ridicule, they learn to shy. If children live with shame, they learn to feel guilty. If children live with tolerance, they learn to be passive. If children live with encouragement, they learn confidence. If children live with praise, they learn to appreciate. If children live with fairness, they learn justice. If children live with security, they learn to have faith. If children live with approval, they learn to like themselves. If children live with acceptance and friendship, they learn to find love in the world. With these words, I conclude and once again I welcome all the students in class 1. Thank you.
With these inspirational and motivational words from Principal Sir, let's move ahead. This is our reception having Wall of Heroes. These national heroes laid down their life for the nation. This wall fills patriotic feeling in all of us. Now you can see the primary in charge room. Let's move ahead towards the classes. This is our primary assembly area, and all around it these are our classes. This is class 1A, and class teacher welcomes the entrants to the Vidyalaya. Let's move to class 1B. Class teacher 1B also welcomes new entrants to the Vidyalaya. This is how we facilitated the learning with fun during last year, and in the same way this year also we are going to enjoy the classes. We all are eagerly waiting for all of you. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि स्कूल जल्द ही आप सबकी आवाज़ों से गूंज उठेगा।
First of all, good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fine at your place. Being your teacher, I want to introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Pooja Khatri. I am class teacher of 1B and I will teach you maths. I assure you, I would try my best to provide you quality education. My best wishes are always with you. Thank you and stay safe.
Hello students, I am Pooja. I will teach you Hindi in class 1. I welcome you all on the behalf of KVUNGC. I hope you all are well and happy. Thanks. Keep on learning.
Hello students, myself Anindita Nath, music teacher of Kendriya Vidyalaya VNGC Agartala. Welcome you all in Kendriya Vidyalaya VNGC family. I will teach you song, dance, playing instruments. I know that all of you are very much interested in this field. We will meet very soon in the school. Till then, I will take online classes. I need your cooperation. Thank you.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं खेले जिंदगी बंधन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यार से मिलने से दूर चले, रोके से ना के हम मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे, बंधन के निकले सवेरे यार से मिलने घर से दूर चले हम, रोके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे, बन ठन के निकले हम, सवेरे सवेरे